time to keep silence, and there's a time to speak. There's a time to speak courage, a time to speak vision, a time to speak hope. Listen, as these men speak courage.
4 and 7. Our Father, who art in heaven. Now we are in the great civil war. Great battlefield of that war.
We have to fear is fear itself.
Listen, as one man speaks vision.
All great heroical actions are accompanied with great difficulty, and those must be ever tried and overcome with answerable courage. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. And therefore, as we set sail, we ask God's blessing on the most hazardous and dangerous and greatest adventure on which man has ever embarked. Even though I realize that this is in some measure an act of faith, ambitious, faith is there, and we're going to fight it.
So even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream. It is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. I have a dream. One day, this nation will rise up, live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created. I have a dream. I